Gicho Ilbo. Basic form number 1. Gicho Ilbo Poomsae consists of walking stance, low block, and middle punch.
Hill. Hill.
준비.
Walking stance down block. Walking stance center punch to the solar plexus. Walking stance down block. Step forward punch. Facing forward low block. Step middle punch. Step middle punch. Step middle punch with kiap. Turn left foot left hand down block. Step forward middle punch. Turn right hand low block. Step forward middle punch. Facing backside down block. Step forward punch. Step forward punch. Step forward punch with the kiap. Left hand left foot. Turn all the way back to starting position. Left foot stepping facing forward and baro.